Hi everyone, my name is Emily Perez, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Attivo All-in-One package powered by SAP Business One, and how it can help you to manage your e-commerce site and solve the problems that come along with it. Managing e-commerce sales, especially multiple sites, without integration into your business system is a formula for failure. Without an integration, orders and customer information received on an e-commerce site must be rekeyed into an ERP system, wasting valuable time and resources. Item availability on your storefront will also not be accurate if your e-commerce site is not talking to your ERP system, resulting in the need to manually inform your customers that their order cannot be fulfilled. Today, we will learn how the integration of your e-commerce site to your business system will help to successfully manage e-commerce sales and inventory availability, leading to increased sales and higher customer satisfaction. The integration of your e-commerce website with SAP Business One allows for inventory availability to be displayed on your storefront in real time. Items created in SAP Business One will be verified by Shopify admin to allow customers to instantly make purchases on your storefront. As an example, we have added the white wireless keyboard into our item master data. Once the item is added to the system, Shopify adds it into your inventory of products for easy access. When shopping on your site, a customer can look up the item by its SKU number or by searching and typing the code into the search bar. Here you can see an example of how a customer can add a product to their cart for easy checkout. During checkout, consumers enter their information ensuring that the transaction is accurate and secure. Here's an example of a customer filling in their contact information as well as the necessary shipping and billing info needed in order to complete their purchase. After filling in the required fields, the consumer will receive an order confirmation from your storefront. A sales order will be created in SAP Business One and linked to the order that was placed. Once a sales order is placed, you'll be left with a record of customer information in your system. This integration has eliminated the need for a double entry of sales orders, customer records, and shipping info. The delivery can now be processed and arrive to your customer as quickly as possible thanks to the integration of your e-commerce site and SAP Business One.